Arjuna saved from Vishnu weapon by Krishna. This true story taken from epic Mahabharat. In the Dron Parva of Mahabharat, Bhishma, after being defeated by Arjun, fall on the bed of arrows. Then Duryodhan handed over the charge of the army to his Guru Dron. The battle continued under the leadership of Dron. King Bhagdatta had an encounter with Arjun. Arjun was riding the chariot with his Gandiv bow and Bhagwan Krishna was holding the reins of the horses. King Bhagdatta was in a fierce battle with Arjun riding on an elephant. Bhagdatta fought with Arjun for a long time with his iron club and he overturned Arjun's crown. While taking care of his inverted crown, Arjun said to Bhagdatta,
Rajan, now look at this world very well.
When Arjun said this, Bhagdatta was extremely angry and took a stunning bow in his hand and started showering arrows on Arjun and Bhagwan Shri Krishna. Arjun cut his bow into pieces. Then, immediately, with 72 arrows, Arjun hurt Bhagdatta. Injured by those arrows, Bhagdatta, being extremely afflicted, he sent forth Vishnu Astra and targeted it on Arjun's chest. That weapon left by Bhagdatta was about to destroy everyone. Bhagwan Krishna, by standing in front of Arjun, took the reaction of the weapon on his chest and himself suffered the injury on his chest. As soon as it touched the chest of Bhagwan Krishna, that weapon turned into the form of Vaijayanti garland. The rosary was full of the lush beauty of the lotus and full of flowers of all the seasons. It was spreading radiance like Agni, Shori and Chandra. Each of its petals was showing brilliance like a fire. Embellished with lotus flowers, destroyer of enemy, Bhagwan Krishna appeared more and more beautiful, as if in the rainy season, mountains are being decorated with the evening clouds. At that time, there was a lot of grief in Arjun's mind. He said to Bhagwan Krishna,
Oh, Singless One, you have pledged that you will not fight and will only keep my horses under control. You will only act as a charioteer, but oh, lotus-eyed, you are not following your promise even after saying the same thing. If I was in trouble or unable to counteract the weapon, then it would have been appropriate for you to do so. You should not do this when I am ready for battle. You are aware that if I have a bow and arrow in my hand, then I can conquer the entire worlds including demigods, demons and humans.
Bhagwan Krishna told secret words to Arjun.
Listen, O sinless son of Kunti. By adopting 4 forms, I am determined to protect the whole world. By dividing myself into many forms, I serve for the benefit of the whole world. One of my transcendental form meditates on this planet in the form of Narnarayana in the Badarika ashram. My second divine form keeps on witnessing the world doing good deeds. The third form as myself gives shelter for the mankind and performs many kinds of deeds, and the fourth form sleeps in the waters of Ekavard, casual ocean, for thousands of ages. After the Sahasra Yug, 1000 Yug, when my fourth form arises from Yog Nidra, at that time it bestows the best boons to the best devotees. Once upon a time, Prithvi Devi, goddess Earth, asked me benediction for her son Narkasur. She said,
My son, when equipped with the Vishnu Astra, Lord Vishnu weapon, become invisible to demigods and goddesses. So give me your weapon if you pleased with me.
At that time, after hearing the plea for her son from the mouth of the earth, I gave her my infallible Vaishnav weapon in the past. While giving, I said, Vasudhe, this infallible Vaishnav weapon remained with your son Narkasura for his protection, and no one will be able to destroy him. By staying safe from this weapon, your son will be the one to torment the army of enemies and will always be invincible in the whole world. After getting benediction, Mother Earth went away with gratitude. After getting the weapon, Narkasur became extremely destructive and started giving anguish to his enemies. Pragajyotish Naresh, king of Pragajyotish, Bhagdatta received my weapon from Narkasur. There is no one in all the three worlds, including Indra and Rudra, who can counteract that weapon. Therefore, to protect you, I have removed that weapon from your path. Arjun, now Bhagdatta deprived of that best weapon, now you kill him. Invincible Bhagdatta is your enemy and strong malevolent of the demigods. So, kill him like I had killed Narkasur in the interest of people in the past.
When Lord Krishna said this, Arjun started showering arrows at Bhagdatta and separated his head from the torso and ended his life forever. In this way, Bhagwan Krishna, Arjun's beloved friend, protected Arjun from the Vaishnav weapon. Take-home message. In Bhagavad Gita chapter 18 verse 57 and 58, Bhagwan Krishna says, "In all activities just depend upon me and work always under my protection. In such devotional service, be fully conscious of me. If you become conscious of me, you will cross over all the obstacles of conditional life by my grace. If, however, you do not work in such consciousness but act through false ego, not hearing me, you will be lost."